Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. And I thank Honorable Wakalambure for the questions. In regards to the iTaukei Land and Fisheries Commissioner's review, the team started their review from September with the help of the Strategic Advisory Group who guides them during the review. They've already visited the 14th province doing their consultations. They also consult some focus groups on the discussions, and also they did virtual meetings that also include our diaspora from overseas. Currently, they've also updated the GCC on its last meeting. They're compiling their report now. On the 20th, they will discuss their report with the Strategic Advisory Group before they'll hand it over to the Ministry. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thanks, the Honourable Minister.